Hello, what's up friends? I hope most of you right now staying at home. As in this situation we are staying home most of the time, I believe this is the best time to try something new, learn something new. Well, as you know and you can see from my previous videos that I usually give tutorials for Adobe Premiere Pro, but many of my followers, subscriber friends ask me to create tutorials on Wondershare Filmora. So here we go. This is my first tutorial on Filmora. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can add cinematic LUTs in your videos using Filmora software, and also I am going to give you total 50 awesome cinematic LUTs for Filmora absolutely free. So let's get started. First of all, download the LUTs pack from the Google Drive link which I have mentioned in the video description. Go click on it and you will be able to see this folder, and under it all LUT files. Now here you can find download option. Click on it and download the zip file. Now unzip the file and you will get the folder with all 50 LUTs. Now let's open Filmora and select videos and drag it to the timeline. Well, I have already imported few videos, so let's drag this in the timeline right now. Okay, now these are the raw unprocessed color of these videos. So here are the steps how you can add LUTs in your footage. First, select the footage from which you want to change the color. Then go to this advanced color tuning option and click it. After this you will see a box with multiple options. In this box you can see an option called 3D LUT. Now click to this and here you will get a drop down menu with some preloaded colors. But we need to load our own LUTs. So what we need to do is select load new LUT option and then select one of the LUTs from the destination folder. Now let's select this one. Now see the color. This is before and this is after. So this way you can color grade your videos in Filmora using free LUTs. Okay, now let's do this for other videos. Just follow the steps as before and you can see the color difference like this. Really easy to change. One more thing is that the loaded LUTs are already in the list, so you can use those in any other videos or other Filmora projects also. Another thing I want to tell you that if you want to deselect the color from your videos, just go to the 3D LUT option and select none. And if you want to delete the LUT completely from the software, just select the color and click this trash button. Okay, so this way you can color grade your videos with custom cinematic LUTs in Wondershare Filmora video editing software. Well guys, if you like this video, please do press the like button and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.